Hello everyone, welcome to the Excel tutorial training video on the SUMIFS function. This is a follow-up to the previous video on SUMIF function, so if you haven't seen that video or if you're unfamiliar with the SUMIF function, you may want to take a look at that video first and then come back to this. Alright, let's take a look at the syntax of the SUMIFS function. It starts here with the summary range, and that's basically what you want to find out, the answer you want to find out. Criteria range is where you're going to look for something, and their criteria is what you're looking up, a specific item that you're looking up. And I'll go through an example so it becomes very clear. So in this example, we're looking up each agent. We want to see what the total revenue is for each agent for each particular package that they've sold. So the first thing that we're for the summary range is, what do we want to know? In the end, we want to know the total revenue that each agent has had for each package. So the first thing, what we're going to do is equal SUMIFS. Click on that, and the summary range. So the summary range is which range do we want to find the final answer from, and it's going to be revenue. That's what we're looking for. So I start typing revenue, and I've already named these ranges. That's why I can type it. If you normally don't name your ranges, it's a very good thing to do because it saves a lot of time. So just go ahead and name your ranges. So revenue, comma, then the criteria range is again where we're going to look for the information. So the first thing that we're looking for is the agent. We're looking for Dave, and we're going to find Dave under the salesperson column. So the range, being the where, is under salesperson column. So click salesperson, comma. And then criteria, what we're looking for in that column, well, that's Dave. So we're going to click over here in that cell, B9, click on Dave, and move on. The next is where we're looking for the next thing. Well, we want to know the Las Vegas package. So where are we going to find the Las Vegas package? We're going to find it under this vacation package column, the vacation package range. So I'm going to start typing vacation package, and Excel helpfully starts typing for me, auto-completes for me. So under vacation package, I'm just going to go ahead and click on Las Vegas. So now what I have is I have the summary range is our revenue. That's what I want to find out at the end. I want to know the total revenue. And what am I tying together is I'm tying together the salesperson and the vacation package. Who sold the package? What package did they sell? And then at the end, how much did they earn? And go ahead and hit enter. And Dave earned $30,000, or made $30,000 in revenue selling this packages to Vegas as the travel agent. And then I want to do this very quickly, so I'm going to go ahead and drag this down. But I first have to change some of these from relative to absolute. Now, I don't want Las Vegas to be dragged down, the Las Vegas cell, so I'm going to go ahead and hit F4 to make it an absolute value, and then I'm going to go ahead and drag it down. And as you can see, each where I had Dave before, if I click here, see it's B10, and now it's Bill and then George, but we're looking up same information, the revenue, the vacation package, and it's looking under the salesperson column. And now I want to fill this out very quickly again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this to the side. So if I drag it and it's relative, it'll move, so I need to make it absolute. So I'm going to hit F4. And then on this one, I'm also going to hit F4 to clear it out. And so that when I drag it, it's going to do Paris and Sydney as well. So click on that, drag it, and each city has been completed. And I'm going to go through what I did originally, which was make F4. F4 becomes your friend when you use Excel a lot. So, and then F4 again, and drag it down. And again, I click on it. This B9, it is the agent cell. I hit F4. Clears it out, so now it will, when I drag it down, it'll go down to each cell, it'll follow, and then I want Sydney to stay the same, so I hit F4 and that becomes absolute, and I drag it down. And now we know the total revenue for each salesperson for the specific sales package that we're looking for. And it would have taken a very long time if we didn't use the SUMIFS function, because you can see that this table actually has 100 entries, and going through this manually would just take forever. So it's just much easier to use the SUMIFS function to find this information. Okay, this concludes this video, and in our next video we're going to do more SUMIFS, and it's going to be a little bit more advanced, so I wanted to get this done first. And if you like this one, go ahead and click the thumbs up button, the like button, and also subscribe to this channel, and you'll see more Excel training videos. Thank you very much.